Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning how to perform the different arithmetic operations using the math operators. So first of all, here I'm going to show you how to add the two variables, subtract the variables, multiply and divide the variables. First of all, I'm going to add the two variables. Here I'm going to declare the two variables num1 and here is the 70. This variable contains the 70 and here is another variable num2 and it contains the 20. And now here we need a third variable in which we store the sum of these two variables, and here I'm going to write the int result, and now I am going to add these two variables. Here is the result is equal to num1 plus num2. Now the result is the sum of these two variables. So now let's print the value. Here I'm gonna sys out and here is the control space and here I'm gonna write result. So the result value is printed on the screen. Here is the 90, 70 plus 20 is the 90. So here I want to tell you another thing. If we add two variables of the integer type, so their result is also the integer. If we add the two variables of type double, so their result is also the double. And now I'm gonna subtract the variables, just change the sign. So now let's check it. Here is the 50 and now let's multiply these variables, just change the sign and let's run it. So here is the result, and now I'm going to divide these variables. So here you see that it's become 3. So this is the way of performing the arithmetic using the variables.